Hello and welcome to Cryptonews.
Today is the 16th of March, 2023, and the top news for crypto is as follows.
But before we get to our crypto news, a small correction. I just misread the CME Group chart. And basically what I should have told you is that 32% of investors believe that the Fed will raise interest rates 0%. And 67% now believe that rates will go up 0.25%. The 0.5% scenario has disappeared so far. And it's very, very positive that we have the possibility that the Fed will not raise rates at all. And that will certainly lead to a rally in the crypto market. We will now also go to our cryptocurrencies and start with Credit Suisse, which is another bank that has run out of money and has asked for support from its biggest backer, the Saudi National Bank. However, the Saudi National Bank has told the bank that it will not give it any more money. And that's why its stock has plummeted to an almost all-time low. But luckily for the bank itself, the Swiss National Bank said it would give it up to $54 million in loans to keep this bank from collapsing, as you can imagine. And after our economies, which are showing how weak they are right now, we're going to go to the Fed, which the Fed has confirmed that they're going to release an instant payment service called FedNow in July. And what exactly is FedNow? FedNow is exactly the same system as Silvergate's system called SEN. SEN was a payment system that worked 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, and was used to move money from exchange to exchange and bank to bank. And now I'm going to tell you something that sounds like it, but there is no data for what I'm going to say at this point. Everybody is saying that the Fed and America in general deliberately attacked Silvergate behind the scenes to shut down Silvergate because they don't want anyone else to control the dollar. It should be noted that Silvergate also wanted to build a stablecoin that would be one-for-one with the dollar. And that stablecoin would be traded through their network, the SEN. A network that America does not control, and it always works. So everyone would go to it. So that's why the Fed says they attacked Silvergate so that Silvergate would shut down their network and let people use their network, which is exactly the same as Silvergate's network, so they don't lose control of the dollar. But all of this is not certain, it's just being said. And we're going to go to Fidelity Crypto as well. Whatever Fidelity Crypto is, Fidelity's cryptocurrency exchange, one of the world's largest asset managers. Plus on this exchange you can buy Bitcoin and Ethereum with zero commission fees. That is almost free, but be careful because so far withdrawals are not open. So if you buy something from this exchange you won't be able to take it out. And not investment advice, investment opinion. If you want to use it, wait until the withdrawals are open. And see how much it costs to get our crypto out. We're going to go to Ms. Kathy Woods of ARK Invest, which ARK Invest has built the new $16 million mutual fund, all of which is money that's going into the crypto market. What Ms. Kathy Wood's doing is simply looking for money from everywhere, so she can put it into crypto on these very nice days, when prices are still low, one might say. We'll go to our decentralized exchanges, and we're going to go to Uniswap, which has now confirmed that version 3 is open and working properly on the BNB chain. Excellent news for Uniswap. And a few days ago, if you remember where you remember for sure, we had the USDC disconnect, and that's a situation. And who benefited from that particular situation? But the decentralized exchanges, obviously. With Uniswap at that time breaking records in daily trading volume to $12 billion. Right on March 11th. And it's not just Uniswap, Curve Finance, PancakeSwap. And all the DeFis had seen huge transaction volumes, due to the fact that too many people no longer trusted the exchanges, and went to the decentralized exchanges. We're going to go to Euler Finance, which is a DeFi, which was hacked, and now we're hearing that it has losses, close to $200 million. And the last things we know about this particular DeFi is that he has put up $1 million reward to anyone who provides information about the hackers, so that they can be caught and DeFi can get their money back. And we're going to go to our last news item of the day dealing with NFT, and specifically the NFT Marketplace called Solana Form Function, which is a marketplace for NFT on top of Solana, as you've already figured out, is shutting down. And the main reason why this marketplace is closing is that the prices of NFTs have plummeted, and a lot of people are no longer trading NFTs. So there's not enough money to operate, and that's why it's closing. It should be noted that this marketplace had taken $4.7 million from OpenSea and other investors to get it up and running exactly 1 year ago. And we'll get to the crypto marketplace as well. With Bitcoin being down a little bit, nothing big. But I think he did us a favor by finally stopping it from going up so much. Because finally some support has been created, which we can stand here and see it go up from there and see greener days.
And that was the top news for crypto. Today, 16th of March, 2023.
Let me remind you that the content you watch, it's content created for educational purposes only, and in no way constitutes investment advice, only investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like and a comment, which comments can be replied to at the end of the episode. Be well everyone, have a good day.